Today, let's do a M1 toaster review. Inside the box and standard goggles, drawstring backpack, to wide magazines. The overall color scheme of this toy gun is sci-fi style. The overall material or plastic, hold in the hand is not very heavy, young and old. Pull the switch here, you can put the magazine in here. Pulling this switch requires a lot of force. After putting in the magazine, pull it back and forth, and the bullets will be loaded into and out of the magazine tube. Simply press the fire button to fire the round. Next, we demonstrate the process of using this M1 toy gun. Let's start by loading both magazines with bullets. It says on the magazine that a magazine can hold 4 bullets. There is also an indication of the direction. Pull the accessories on top of the toy gun. We can see the orange part is the ejection port. We need to pull back and forth in order to put the bullets in the magazine. Push the mouth. You can fire bullets. Hold down this button, the magazine will be ejected quickly, which allows you to participate in the Nerf war process. Quickly change bullets, which is one of the characteristics of this toy gun. Very cool. For 195 grams in the toy gun after loading the magazine. Next, we test the shooting distance of this toaster. I measured the test distance on the ground before testing and marked every 10 feet, thus making the results more obvious. Loaded the magazine. The first shot was 30 feet. Pulled back and forth to push the round into the exit tube. The second round was 23 feet. Pulling back and forth does require some force. Third round is 32 feet. Fourth round is 22 feet. Quick magazine change. The magazines jump out. The fifth round is 29 feet. Sixth shot is 28 feet. The average shooting distance is 26 feet for these 6 shots. The price is not high. Recommended to buy.